So there's two tools that students have access to in OneNote that can really make what they're working on more accessible. The first one being the dictation tool, which allows the computer's microphone to record what they're saying and type it out for them as best as it can. And so you just go up to Learning Tools up here and click on Dictate, and the computer will do its best to dictate what I'm saying. The other tool that you can use is called the Immersive Reader tool, which is a tool that allows the computer to read to you kind of what the assignment is and break it down so it's easier for you to understand. So if I click on the Immersive Reader up here, it will display kind of the text of what the assignment is. You can mess with the text size. You can make it bigger. You can make it smaller. You can space the letters out a little bit. And you can even have it label. You can have break down words by syllable to help with reading. But the big piece is that you can have it read to you. So there's 3 different voices you can choose from, but you just hit play and it will read you the assignment. And what these tools do is it makes the curriculum a lot more accessible for students. And we've seen that it's really helped a lot of struggling students.